The truth is that eggs are good for you. They are needed by your body for you to stay healthy. You can actually eat eggs a good number of times in a day and reap the benefits and no eggeration. So how healthy is an egg? Well, for one, a big hard-boiled egg contains vitamin A, folate, vitamin B5, vitamin B12, vitamin B2, phosphorus, selenium, and a good amount of vitamin D, E, K, B6, zinc, and calcium. Eggs are also rich in protein and healthy fats that your body definitely needs. Here are some things that will happen to you if you eat 3 eggs a day. 1. They raise the HDL, good, cholesterol in your body. When people talk about eggs, they associate them with bad cholesterol. However, your body does need some cholesterol, which is where the eggs come in. They contain good cholesterol in a decent amount, so eating eggs on a regular basis will cause your HDL to go up. Your body needs that in order to carry the cholesterol in other parts of your body back to the liver. That way the bad cholesterol in your body can be eliminated. 2. Eggs reduce your risk of heart disease. When you have a higher level of HDL, which eggs definitely help you out with, your body will get rid of the bad cholesterol, which is also referred to as high-density lipoprotein. According to research, bad cholesterol is usually linked to a bad heart. It makes you susceptible to heart disease. Eggs contain the RDI for selenium, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory. According to further studies, adding selenium to the diet decreases the chances of death through cardiovascular diseases by up to 50%. 3. They'll also help you get stronger bones. In the past, eggs were thought to be bad for the development of your bones. However, studies in recent times have changed that. According to that, there exists a positive relationship between the number of proteins you take in and your body mass or body density. The animal protein will actually assist you in retaining and absorbing calcium, therefore, it will lead to improvement of your bone density and strength. 4. Eggs will help with the health of your brain. It comes down to choline once again. Choline is helpful for the development of the brain, especially in the fetal stage and all the way to one's elderly years. Eating an egg every day will help you get a sharper memory. Whether you have the eggs fried, baked, poached, or even fried, you will still benefit. Therefore, ignore those people who'll tell you just to eat an egg twice a week and enjoy one every day for your neurological growth and health. 5. They'll help in keeping your eyes healthy. Eggs are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin. These are antioxidants that will assist in keeping your eyes healthy, especially during the aging process, considering it's almost impossible to avoid macular degeneration. The antioxidants accumulate in the retina of the eye. They help in counteracting some degenerative processes which affect the eyes. When you eat eggs regularly, your chances of getting cataracts are reduced. It also reduces macular degeneration. 6. It helps you eat smaller portions of food. You'll find yourself wanting to eat a lot of food in the event that it is very tasty, except when you are too full. Eggs will assist you because they make you feel fuller for longer. That means you will observe a reduction in the number of times you feel like eating throughout the day. When you eat a boiled egg with some fruit and some oatmeal, you will feel no need to eat again at least until lunchtime. 7. They are a great source of choline. Choline is a macronutrient. It is essential for different physiological functions such as neurological development, muscle function, nerve function, as well as metabolism. A lot of people do not know about choline and its importance to our bodies. As much as there are no strict guidelines as to how much choline one should take, but women are advised to take about 425 to 500 milligrams in a day unless they are pregnant or nursing their baby. For men, you are advised to just take 550 milligrams a day. 8. They reduce your risk of breast cancer. Doctors advise that you make healthy diet changes to reduce your risk of getting cancer. We are advised to eat fruits, whole grains, and vegetables. Well, to increase the effectiveness of these, you could add eggs to your diet regularly. Choline found in eggs helps in keeping breast cancer at bay. According to studies, women who eat 2 or fewer eggs in a week are at a higher risk of getting breast cancer. 9. Eggs increase your overall physical performance. In case you are into workouts and participate in a lot of physical activities, then you probably need some help with that. Proteins have been known to help in synthesizing and maintaining muscle. When this happens, you will notice a great difference in the amount of strength, resilience, and endurance. The quality of protein in eggs makes it great for this improvement in your physical performance. 10. Eggs help to keep your hair healthy and strong. You can tell just how healthy someone is or isn't just by looking at their hair and nails. They reflect the different biochemical imbalances in the body. Eggs are known to promote healthy hair as well as nails due to the fact that they are rich in sulfur-containing amino acids. Eggs are also packed with vitamins and minerals. Over the years, a lot of people have reported faster growth in their hair after adding eggs to their diet. Zinc, sulfur, vitamin A, and vitamin B12 are needed for healthy hair and nails. 11. They'll help keep your muscles healthy and strong. On average, a large egg contains 72 calories. Most of the calories are in protein form. This is needed by your body in order to repair your muscle cells. That said, eggs are the perfect foods if you want to have strong muscles. They are rich in vitamin D, and combined with the other benefits of eggs, you can be sure your muscles stay healthy.